Hello and welcome at Aldan Media. Today I want to show you my solution of my ring issue. As you can see, I try to carry around too much, but I don't want to size down. So I had I was looking onto the internet and found, ta-da! No, it was, well, let's swap places. So I thought maybe it's time to try another brand. And here it is. So it just arrived, and I just opened the box for looking, well, if everything is okay, nothing damaged, and I can tell you, wow, it is beautiful. It is a Moterm Pocket planner in, I guess it's teal. It is a nice greenish blue or bluish green. Well, that's what teal is. And what is in the box as well is a dashboard. Well, oh, I should have maybe removed the plastic before, but yeah, I hope it's not too destructive. So it is a nice dashboard with another pen loop, and this pen loop seems to be quite, well, you can stretch it here. So I thought maybe I try to carry on my fountain pen, which you can see it fits really good in here. Well, let's see. They included some, I guess it's daily pages. Yeah, but I have my own, so let's see. I think, well, you have lots of space in here, and what I first saw and I was like, oh, that is quite a good idea, is this leather flap here over the zipper, so that if you close your planner, your zipper doesn't scratch on the paper or on your dashboard, because, well, if I put this in here, it will scratch definitely onto this dashboard and damage it. So yeah, that's quite good. So that's quite a smart idea. So it has a pocket here, and oh yeah, for credit cards, I guess, credit card holder. And that is, let me open this. Yeah, so you can use it as a wallet if you want. Well, I don't want to use it as a wallet, but if you want to, you could. So it has a flap here, and the same design on the other side. Pocket here, I guess for credit cards or ID card. Don't know if it fits. Seems to be a bit small. Doesn't matter. It's okay. Here's a slip pocket instead of the zipper pocket, and again, yeah. And here the same, it's stretchable. So if well, it will definitely fit my pen, I guess. So, oh yeah. Okay. The color, yes. Okay, yeah. But I like this color, so I don't want to swap the color so that it better fits. So if I open this, I guess I can remove this then, or how do I remove this? Just like so. Okay. But the rings are closing really good. There's no gap in between, so yeah. Oh, and there's the pocket in the back. So I think that is quite a good solution. So shall we move in? But well, perhaps I show you a comparison of my Malden rings. Well, to make it easier, let me just, remove all these. The pages are already falling out. Let me remove all of my pages, like so. But I will remove this and close the rings of this planner. And wow, the Moterm rings are just amazing, huge. It's really nice. This will hold all of my inserts, plus a bit more, I would say. So just put this aside. So, well, maybe I will be able to have a bit more in this planner. So because I have this zipper pouches which I bought online as well. So yeah, it's brand new and the holes are not removed. So let me just, okay, so I should have 6 circles here. 1, 2, 3, it's 5. Okay, I know, now I have 6, so okay, so it's gone. So let me put this in the very back. So this, this first and this on top of it. So I think I will go with the different color sized sections because I already printed it out and I don't want to waste it. But I think I could go for more months in this planner. So first my Bible reading tracker and oops. So yeah, come on, my holes are big enough, aren't they? Yeah. So then my dailies, and you can see a flip through. So my dailies, ooh, my weekly, it's my weekly, come on, week on 2 pages in cream. I think, well, now let me remove this, let me fill up the other way around. So year at a glance, future log, and my yearly and my monthly planning goes here, and my weekly, I will put it on this. So let's see. Yeah, that looks now perfectly. But I think more than 2 months, I guess even this won't hold more. This is okay. That is okay. So let's try if I can put the dashboard in here. Oh, it has a pocket here. So if I close this up, look at this. Both pens lay beside each others, so they do not scratch on each other's. So I have my old reading bookmark, and this that fits nice as well in here. Looks really, really cute. The thing is, I think if I close this here, yeah, now the pens are a bit on top of each other's. Oh, and those pages are going into, it looks good. I think my magnetic clamp for won't hold because the leather is thicker than at the than the leather on the it fits, it sticks. So the leather on the Malden is thinner than the leather on the Moterm. But I think I can go with it. I think it is a beautiful leather. It touches really, really nice. The structure is not disturbing or anything. It's really, really nice. Yeah, I think so. If I now want to turn the pages, yeah, goes really well. December and my notes pages and my monthlies. Oops. My weeklies. Yeah, I think that is a better solution for me. My dailies. Oh, I should try to put, you know what, I try to put March in here as well. So just to have a look if I can fit the my 3 months which I want to have in dailies. Let's see. So I have March in here. Let's close it up. Oh, it fits. Okay, so it fits. I can go for 3 months. 3 months on daily pages. That is great. Yeah, I'm really happy I bought this Moterm. So I think I'm quite happy with that. Look at the space. That's amazing. Yeah. Thank you for watching and sharing your time with me, watching me moving into my new planner. It is, I think it is a really good decision for this year, and yeah, hope to see you next time. So, bye bye.